digital banks don't have branches, can be set up via an app and allow you to manage your money on the go. There are a host of digital banks on the market, which we compare in our video. Alright, so let's get started. Revolut and Monzo are very similar in their setup and design, and both offer a host of money management and budgeting features, so you can get the most out of your money each month. Roundups allow you to save as you spend and easily save for goals in pots that are separate from your main account balance. You can also earn interest on your savings with both Revolut and Monzo. With Revolut, you can do this via a savings vault, and depending on the Revolut plan, you can earn up to 4.75% interest. With Monzo, you can open a savings account with one of its partner banks and earn up to 4.81% interest depending on the account you open. Monzo has a choice between easy access and fixed rate accounts, and the longer you choose to put your money away, the higher the interest rate you can achieve. When it comes to spending abroad, Monzo works out cheaper than Revolut as there are no restrictions on its fee-free spending abroad. Monzo also offers competitive international transfers through its partnership with Wise. However, if you want to withdraw lots of cash abroad, Revolut can work out cheaper as it charges a 2% once you've exhausted its £200 per month fee-free limit compared to Monzo's 3%. Monzo allows you to spend up to £400 fee-free in a European Economic Area. Some of the allowances and fees do, however, vary depending on the account or plan you have with Monzo or Revolut. Revolut and Monzo are very similar when it comes to spending abroad. If you don't need to withdraw cash, Monzo is cheaper than Revolut as it has no restrictions on transactions when abroad. When it comes to cash withdrawals, Monzo and Revolut are like for like when spending within the fee-free limit. If you exceed this, Revolut comes in cheaper with a 2% fee compared to 3% with Monzo. Monzo is a UK registered bank account, which means that deposits up to £85,000 are protected by the FSCS. Revolut is not a UK registered bank as it does not have a UK banking license, therefore, it is regarded as an e-money institution. This means that your money is not protected by the FSCS, but Revolut says that your deposits are ring-fenced in an account with one of its partner banks. When it comes to cashback and rewards, Revolut has a greater range of offers on the Revolut app that are available to all plan holders, including those on the free standard plan. Monzo recently introduced cashback offers at selected retailers, which can be activated via the app. Monzo users can also access rewards if they are signed up to a Monzo Perks or Monzo Max account, which comes with an additional monthly subscription fee. Both Revolut and Monzo offer insurance products to subscription customers, excluding Revolut Pet Insurance, which is available for anyone who has a Revolut account. Monzo Max gives customers access to worldwide travel insurance, phone insurance, and breakdown cover, while Revolut Premium, Metal, and Ultra customers can access worldwide medical insurance as well as lost, damaged, or delayed luggage insurance. Revolut Metal and Ultra plan holders can also benefit from car hire excess insurance and personal liability insurance, while Ultra plan holders can get trip and event cancellation insurance. You can save into pockets and pots with Revolut and Monzo, which are separate spaces within your main Revolut or Monzo account. These spaces mean you can save towards goals made easier with help from round-up spending, which saves your spare change on all transactions in your account. If you wish to earn interest on your savings, you can open a savings vault with Revolut or a separate saving account within the Monzo app. Revolut does not currently offer loans to users in the UK, which means that opening a Revolut account does not affect your credit score. If you are a Monzo account holder, you can apply for an overdraft or personal loan. Monzo's overdraft allows you to borrow up to £2,000 with a variable interest rate of 19%, 29%, or 39% EAR, depending on your credit score. If you want to apply for a personal loan, you may be able to borrow up to £25,000. You can see how much you are able to borrow by applying via the Monzo app. Applying for credit with Monzo is likely to affect your credit score, and Monzo reports to all 3 credit reference agencies, meaning Monzo is likely to show up on your credit report. Revolut and Monzo are very similar in the features that they offer to customers. The biggest drawback with Revolut is that it is not a UK-registered bank account, which means that your money does not benefit from FSCS protection. Revolut does refer to itself as a bank account, as you have a bank account number and sort code, but it is an e-money institution and therefore may work better as a prepaid card for traveling abroad. If you want to use Revolut and Monzo abroad, there is little difference between the two. However, Monzo doesn't enforce fee-free limits when spending abroad, whereas Revolut charges a fee of 1% or 0.5% for standard or plus users once you exceed the £1,000 or £3,000 fee-free limit. If you want to withdraw cash abroad, both Revolut and Monzo have restrictions on fee-free cash withdrawals, but Revolut is cheaper if you exceed the limit, only charging 2% per transaction compared to Monzo's 3%. This limit is increased if you sign up for a paid plan with Revolut or Monzo. Ultimately, Monzo is likely to be the better option if you want a UK current account with protection via the FSCS. Revolut is an excellent alternative, however, particularly useful if you are heading abroad. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.